Have you ever been in the same position as me? 100 different business ideas in your head, but no idea which one to choose. AI can help you do A to Z research in minutes. The first step is market research. Who actually wants this? Where are they? And how much competition is out there? Next, I look at growth potential. Is this industry growing, shrinking, or staying flat? AI can scan reports, news, and trends faster than I ever could. Then I check what people are actually asking for. AI can read thousands of reviews and online conversations to tell me what's missing in the market. Is this business still going to exist in 10 or 20 years? Or will it get wiped out by new tech or even AI itself? What is a business that will still be around in 10, 20 years and won't be disrupted by AI? What business has the most growth potential right now? What requires the least investment but brings the highest returns? What business could I automate to make money while I sleep? AI won't choose the dream for you, but it gives you the data, the trends, and the insight to make the right choice for your future.